Hello friends, welcome to Data Science Lovers. In this video, we will solve a realistic question with the help of Python. Here we have given a dataset. This is a sample dataset. In this dataset, we have the details of employees. We have name, the department and salary. And we have to find the average salary for each department from this data frame. First of all, we will run this cell and this is our dataset. So we have to convert this dataset into a data frame format. Here we will import the Pandas library because we have to solve this with Pandas library. Import Pandas as PD. Now we will use the data frame function and inside this we have to pass the data. This is our actual data here and we will save this command in a variable named df. You can give any variable name here. When I run this and if we have a look at our data frame now, it will look like this. We have name of 12 employees, the department and the salary. Now we have to find the average salary for each department. To do so, we will use the group by function on this department column. So our syntax will be our data frame name df. On this we will use group by function. Here we will pass our column name on which we want to apply the group by. We will pass department here. Then we will pass our second column name for which we want the results. We want the results for salary column. Okay, now what we want the average salary. So to find out the average salary, we have to pass the mean function here. This is our code. When we will run this, it will show each department, finance, HR and IT and the average salary for each department. The average salary for finance department is 68,600. For HR it is 61 and for IT it is 70750. Okay. And also if you want to find out the maximum or minimum salary for each department, you can simply copy it and use the max function here. It will show maximum salary for each department and similarly you can use the mean function here. It will show the minimum salary for each department. So that's how friends, we can use the group by function in Pandas. If you want to learn data analysis with Python, then you can consider these notes. The link is given in the description of this video. Thanks friends, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.